Hello friends, my name is Puneet Sehgal. I'm a passer of the 1998 batch of your fabulous college, IHM Gwalior. I am presently working as a general manager for Elite Resort and Spa, the Kingdom of Bahrain with the Bahraini Hotel Management Company. After passing out of college, I started working with Taj Stats, which was then called the Taj Air Caterers, as a trainee flight supervisor. I worked my way up. I worked with the Lalit New Delhi, which was then called the Intercontinental, the Grand. I worked with the Hyatt Regency and the Grand Hyatt in Delhi. I also worked with the Imperial New Delhi. Imperial is one of the most luxurious hotels of India. I was the opening director of food and beverage for Crown Plaza in New Delhi. I was the director of food and beverage for Shangri-La New Delhi. Then the opening general manager for Park Plaza Chandigarh, which is the largest MICE facility in Punjab. Life has been very, very challenging but very exciting. And working for hotels, I think I've had fun every minute of my life. It's fast-paced, it's demanding, and it's not for the faint-hearted. You gotta have a strong heart to work for hotels. Travel and food industry are the basics of life, and this COVID situation is only temporary. It's not going to bog down the industry for long. Industry is going to bounce back, and it's going to bounce back much stronger. People who are in the final year of their career, who are unable to find a job for now, I suggest, it's my advice to you, that for now you should maybe study more and maybe learn a new skill. This will always help you in your career going forward. Youngsters who are just starting college, they don't need to worry at all. This is all going to be over before you pass out, and industry is going to bounce back much stronger. To succeed in hotels or to anywhere, in any career, it takes a lot of passion and dedication. You should never treat it as a second option. You need to make sure you put your heart and soul into whatever you're planning to do. Putting your heart and soul into anything that you desire is going to open a lot of doors for you anyway. So don't be bogged down. Industry is going to bounce back, and there's going to be plenty of jobs in the market going forward. So folks, study well, work very hard, and most importantly, have a lot of fun. All the best.
Hello, greetings to everybody, namaste, and welcome to a very warm orientation day at the IHM Gwalior. My name is Aparna Pasi, and I'm going to spend a few minutes to talk about myself and my journey as hotelier. At present, I'm working with my own firm as a trainer, coach, and a hospitality expert. I'm also a certified hospitality educator. Right before this, I was in human resources as Assistant General Manager HR with the Kalpataru Limited. I'm an alumni of IHM Gwalior, year 2002 to 2005. Right after my college, I got through the OCLD program, which is called the Oberoi Center of Learning and Development, as a guest service management trainee. After 2 years of preparation and training at the Oberoi Group, my first job was at the Oberoi Grand in Kolkata as the assistant manager in a Thai restaurant. In 4 months from then, I moved as the coffee shop manager at the La Terrace at the Oberoi Grand in Kolkata. In about a year, I moved as a banquet manager of that hotel, and from then I moved to Trident Bandra Kurla in Mumbai in 2011 as the assistant food and beverage manager. From them, I wanted to move into training, and I joined the JW Marriott Hotel in Mumbai, which is located in Juhu area, as a departmental trainer. Right after that, I went back to my roots at the Oberoi Hotel and pre-opened the Oberoi Dubai as a pre-opening training manager. In 2014, I was transferred again to the Trident Nariman Point and the Oberoi Mumbai as a training manager back in India. And after spending 3 years in training, I was promoted as a senior manager HR with the Oberoi Mumbai and the Trident Nariman Point. In 2018, I switched industries to real estate, and I worked as assistant general manager HR with the Kalpataru Limited. And now at present, I'm currently running my own firm as a trainer, coach, and apparently as a hospitality expert as well, and helping students to live their dreams, helping corporates to ensure that they get to know everything about the HR ways and the training ways and how they can become a very good leader. Yes, it is true that Corona and pandemic has really taken over the hospitality industry. But it is just a small start that you have to understand that the way we are progressing, everything is going to get in order. I think in a few months from now will be much better. To be honest with you, once the vaccine is rolled out, there are immense opportunities for the hospitality students. The global opportunities include in hotels, motels, in resort. We also have opportunities that can be there in real estate. You can also get into the cinema industry or the retail industry. There are also quick service restaurants which are available. So you name it and you have it there. Hospitality students are required everywhere because there's no business which runs without hospitality. So you are in, everybody, and good luck for the same, because I can tell you it's a great career for all of you to choose, because your ways are now open to every industry where hospitality is required. I think what it takes to be a great hotelier is hard work and a lot of smart work as well. I think also, in addition to this, presence of mind makes a lot of difference. Learn every day. Take that opportunity. Be a lifetime student. Whether it's the fact that you're a very senior person in a hotel, or maybe you could be at the lowest of the rank, always be a lifetime student. Be inquisitive and understand what is that it needs to be taken. My advice to all of you would be that all of you has the potential to grow in as a leader. All of you have a potential to work on yourself every bit, because you need to prove yourself to become the best version of yourself. I propagate the agenda and truly believe that every expert was a beginner. Yes, you heard it right. So if you think I'm an expert and I have reached a very senior position, let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, 15 years back from today, I was in your seat. I'm sure you have a lot ahead. I wish you good luck. Take care of yourself, study well, and remember, you're in the right profession, because a lot is to wake you up for now. Good luck.
Hi friends, first of all, thank you so much for IHM Gwalior for giving me this opportunity. So my name is Toshit Sharma and I am the pass out of 2005 of IHM Gwalior, and I will say I think we are the first batch even who had the IGNOU degree at our time. So it is almost like more than 15 years for me working as a chef in different atmosphere. Not only this, I had worked in 5 different countries at different level. Started my career with Oberoi Hotels. So it is a long journey and big journey, but I can guide you, I can share the details if you want. So you can connect me on my Instagram handle, that is Chef Toshit Sharma in one go. And the only suggestion what I want to give you guys is keep calm, keep patience, focus on the basics, and your time will also come. So thank you so much and have a good day to all of you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Reena Wilson and I am a batch pass out of 2012, and I'm here to tell you about all my experience in the industry. It has been 8 years. So currently I'm working for Lufthansa German Airlines and I work there as a cabin crew. So how I reached here, it wasn't easy. It took a lot of year, a lot of self improvement for me to reach here. So when I started, I wanted to work for front office in hotels. I was very passionate about it. So I gave my campus recruitment and I got selected for Lemon Tree Hotels as a management trainee. And then I was working for events. For a few years I was working for events in Shivalas Hotel, which is in Jaipur. It was very fascinating. So I used to get to work with celebrities, stars, and a lot of high-profile guests over there. So I was very fascinated about people, about places, about traveling. So down the line, I decided to try my luck or groom myself. Luck is a very different word. So I wanted to groom myself more to work for aviation. So I tried to give interviews for Etihad, Emirates. So they all have their own requirements. So you can't decide at that moment what went wrong. But I still kept working on myself. So when Lufthansa selected me, I realized that how much I changed myself from initial to till now. So what I'm trying to tell you here is this industry or your qualification is very versatile. So when you get into this, you will come to know that where all you can work. As a hotel management graduate, you can also work for sales and marketing, and you can work for events, you can work for travel and tourism, you can work in ticketing and in aviation and in restaurants. So different fields and departments are there. So you really need to be focused. Initially it will be very confusing for you, so don't try so hard on yourself. Let these 3 years go. Work on yourself right now. You need to work on your personality, on your grooming, and trust me, aviation, so this industry is not about looks. So you don't have to look like Aishwarya Rai or Shah Rukh Khan to work for hospitality. You have to be. You are perfect in your way. You all are beautiful. You just need to groom yourself. You need to have a personality to present yourself. You need to be confident when you speak. So that is all. And your faculty, which is there, is one of the best faculties. They were there to support me. They helped me, and they're going to help you as well. So don't be afraid to get in touch with them, or you can contact your seniors as well for the same. So I wish you all the best and make us all proud. Bye.